Hey, what's poppin', everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth. Today we have an early look for you guys. I have a Jordan 1 box, as you guys can see right here. Shout out to my people at JD Sports for letting me do this early look on these things. But before we get up into this content, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your boy. I am hoping to give you guys a lot of early looks when it comes to sneakers and stuff like that. Without further ado, let's get right off into it.
I was spared like the very last pair when you walk into the mall and you think they ain't there. So you say a little prayer. You don't want to be so vain, but if I get...
All right, so as you guys can see right here, we do have a Jordan 1 box. It is that raw and light Obsidian blue colorway. So you already know what it is. These shoes do drop this Saturday. They're gonna retail for 140 bucks, I believe is the low price. And here's the size tag right here. As you guys can see right here, go ahead and pause the video if you want a legit check. But Air Jordan 1 Low Retro OG, Obsidian blue sale, all that good stuff. So as we open up this box, y'all see that right there, the Nike label inside the box, nothing but the typical white paper. But we're gonna open these things up, and we do have the Air Jordan 1 Low Obsidian, man. Y'all let me know down in the comment section what y'all think. And I was kind of iffy about the quality. I was like, I wonder what the quality and stuff is gonna look like on these. But as you guys can see right here, they are immaculate, man. Very good quality. Leather quality is what we tested, y'all see right there. But does come with another set of laces, which is gonna be your sail laces right here. You do have that blue leather swoosh right there, and it is pretty tumble, pretty good leather quality. On the back end, we do have the Wings logo in that navy blue, that Obsidian colorway right there on the back end. Booty look real nice on these things. They didn't go vintage super sail on these things. I thought maybe the outsole would be a little bit more vintage, a little bit more sail, but they did not. It's kind of like, this sneaker is actually really close to the OG pair. Toe box leather, as you guys can see right here. Not too bad, as you guys can see. Y'all see the Nike Air on the tongue right there. On the inner side of the shoe, it's gonna be that exact same thing right there. Really, really good quality. On the bottom, you do have that navy blue. If you don't have the highs, this low is actually a pretty good secondary option, bro. Like, the quality looks good. The color blocking is exactly the same. I'm gonna show you guys a comparison real quick. I did wear the OG ones right here, so I am gonna show you guys that real quick. All right, so as you guys can see right here, this is the OG. Here is the low. As you guys can see, man, really close, man. Really, really close. They really did a really good job comparison. So I think that this is spot on. And you know, sometimes they don't have it right when it comes to the lows, but this time I do feel like they have it right. Inside of the shoe, as you guys can see right there, insoles and all that good stuff. But super clean. Y'all let me know. What do y'all think? How y'all feeling about these? Comment down below and let me know if this is gonna be a must cop for you guys. Retail is gonna be 140. They do come in full family size run. Make sure y'all check out the people over at JD Sports. If y'all interested in these, I know they already had the EA, but if they have any pairs left over, make sure y'all tap into them. And yeah, that's all I got for y'all. Comment down below and let me know how y'all feeling about these things. And y'all already know the sayings, man. Rock with you like number type. Remember, everything we talk about, including these sneakers, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all next video. Gone.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get 'em.